How do I fix a rejected return on TaxAct? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, open up any web browser and search for taxact.com. On this web page, make sure to log into your account. Now, if your return was rejected on TaxAct, there are a few common reasons why this might have happened, such as errors in your personal information, incorrect social security numbers, or discrepancies in income reported. TaxAct will provide you with a rejection notice that outlines why your return was rejected. You have to review this notice carefully to understand the specific issue. Once you have identified the reason for rejection, you want to log into your TaxAct account and navigate to your return that needs correction. Make the necessary edits to fix the error. After making the corrections, you will need to resubmit your return through TaxAct. You simply have to follow the on-screen prompts, ensuring that all the changes have been saved. While you are correcting your initial issue, it is a good idea to review the rest of your return for any errors. After resubmitting your return, you have to wait for the confirmation from TaxAct that it has been successfully filed. This confirmation may take some time to process. You have to keep an eye on the status of your return to ensure that it is accepted without any further issues. TaxAct will provide you updates on the status of your return. If you have any trouble resolving this issue, then you will have to contact the customer support of TaxAct. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.